It's my privilege to introduce you in this e-news to Morgan Collett, who has come to the college this year. Morgan has international experience in differentiated learning and she oversees our Learning Strategies programme. We're here talking about our Enrichment and Challenge programme for our students. A very important part of any great school is to stretch our students beyond just what they can do in the classroom. So tell me, Morgan, about Scotch Excel.
So Scotch Excel is our learning hub that brings together our co-curricular challenging enrichment offerings here at Scotch. It allows us to have fluency between all our programs such as Oratory, STEM, Entrepreneurship, cross-curricular programs such as World Scholars Cup and Tournament of the Minds.
So tell me why you think this is important for a school to do.
Look, it is absolutely important for our students to be provided with learning experiences that reflect a range of learning styles and experiences, such as opportunities to participate in competitions and events at local, national and global levels. When our students work beyond the confines of the school curriculum, they are able to socialise and learn with like-minded peers in areas of their own interest, allowing us to stretch and challenge our most academically able students.
So the Oratory and Enrichment program at Scotch encompasses many different things. So the oratory side of things sees students participating in things such as debating and many different public speaking competitions like World Scholars Cup and many things to do with UN Youth, and this gives students the opportunity to potentially travel interstate or overseas, as well as there are many opportunities in STEM, encompassing STEM enrichment and maths enrichment.
And these kind of programs allow you to really excel at your speciality, like what you're really interested in, as well as work with people who are like-minded, who have similar interests and who really want to see you grow and develop and achieve your absolute best in your interests and hobbies.
So what's next for the Enrichment and Challenge programme?
So we will continue to develop our Scotch Excel hub and when opportunities become available both online and face-to-face, and our students will be given those opportunities to become involved in them. This term we are offering a Women in STEM conference. We are also supporting our senior students to participate in an online course which is actually run by an international university. Most importantly, we have dedicated teachers, a supportive community, and most importantly, we have Scotchies who do not shy away from the glass ceiling.
We love the energy, we love the drive, we love the direction and focus of this programme. It's a privilege to have Morgan with us after her experiences abroad and in Australia doing this work. We have students who are engaged in this, as Morgan has said, who really do enjoy those World Scholars Cup, Oratory, Service Challenges, Entrepreneurship Challenges, etc. This is what this Scotch education is about, preparing for the big wide world. It's not just a matter of what happens in the classroom, that's critical of course, but it's preparing our students to be high impact individuals, and this is a critical development in that provision for your children.